Let's fill it and see how it works. In this parcel, we've received some boxing fight ball with a headband. You can use this equipment in order to improve your reaction while boxing. Let's beat the shit out of this ball. Here we have some plastic mold which can be used for making dumplings. So, let's make some dough. We take some baking flour, add 1 egg, some salt, water and vegetable oil. Then we mix it until the dough is ready. And cover it with a towel for 30 minutes. Then we cut some dough and roll it with a rolling pin. Now we cover our mold with the dough and start filling each hole with the meat mince. Then we cover it with another sheet of dough, take the rolling pin and start cutting our dumplings just like that. Then you turn it over and shake it. That's how we can quickly make a lot of dumplings. That's how they look after boiling for 20 minutes. As you can see, inside we have some meatballs. Here we have some funny chef timer, which can be used for cooking. You can set it up to 60 minutes. Let's see how it rings. Here we have some interesting knife. It's the crinkle cutter, which can be used for making some French fries. So, let's test it out. We take some peeled potatoes and cut them just like that. As a result, we get a lot of wavy slices. Now we take some bowl, fill it with cold water, add some salt and put our slices into the water for 20 minutes. Then we dry it using a lot of napkins, just like that. Now we take some deep frying pan and fill it with a lot of vegetable oil. Now let's fry our potatoes. As a result, we get a lot of tasty French fries. Product links are in the description below. Subscribe, put thumbs up, share this video with your friends and follow me on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.